What's up, closers? Welcome to another Money Minute. Here's the deal. Good marketing teams do a really good job of, starting a brand sales story, right? Making it visible to the prospects, really are helping them articulate the problem that their company solves. That gets inbound marketing taken care of. But in today's business environment, we can't just sit back and hope that leads come in. That's where pocket prospecting comes in. Mickeli, let's break it down.
Yeah, well said, Garrio. Pocket prospecting is the concept of humanizing the whole sales process, right? Generally, when we want to make a new friend, we tend to know something about them before we introduce ourselves. Same goes with pocket prospecting. It takes a little bit more work, but as I found, I'm a fan of two different things. Is humanizing the process. This means finding something of common interest. It could be business related, it could be personal, whatever. Finding something, locating their industry, being industry specific, being geographically specific, so that you can then learn a little bit more about the pains and challenges that they're going through, not just on a surface level, be it their title and what Google tells you about what's going on in their industry, but more as an expert of the additional things that are going on in their geography, be it political or climate, or who knows, right? Civil unrest, you know what they're going through. Same goes with looking up, their title. What keeps a CTO up at night or whatever, and finding those things so that you could be an expert in their pain, and then pocketing them, which is what we call pocket prospecting, putting them into pockets in which I'm calling into Georgia today, only Georgia, or only Atlanta, Georgia, just today. So I can become an expert of local sports, local things that are going on, so I can be a human, right? Finding something that, hey, I didn't know that you were part of the Boys and Girls Club. That's incredible. I volunteered there for whatever many years, something of common, right? And then, and only then do we have the opportunity to say, hey, listen, I digress. I understand. I've talked to CTOs in Atlanta, Georgia every single day. What I found is based on whatever this thing going on in Georgia, that regulations or whatever, that CTOs have been struggling there with this, that, and the other thing. Can you relate? Yes. And then, pocketing, then bringing up the solution that you have for their pain and challenge. But in that order is pocket prospecting. And we've seen our clients leverage that and have mass success because it just makes simple sense. You know what I mean? It's a solution. It's a humanized sales process paired with a solution based in understanding of their real challenges and problems they're going through that don't sound like a Google search, because they're not. Right.
You're doing a little bit more homework, doing a little bit of prep work ahead of that meeting so that the meeting is actually more meaningful.
Exactly.
Cool. All right, closers, that has been another Money Minute. If you found this valuable, join us for next month's Coffee and Closers. Talk to you soon. Money, 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 money.